Hello everyone, myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer in Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. Today I am going to discuss unit number 4, Organizational Safety. In this lecture, I am going to discuss features of restriction of hazardous substances directives ROHS. Okay, so some restricted hazardous substances I am going to discuss, and also its features I am going to discuss. Okay, so here ROHS means restriction of hazardous substances is a directive on the restriction of the use of certain hazardous substances in electrical and electronic equipments. Okay, it was adopted in February 2003 by the European Union. Okay, and also ROHS is also known as the lead-free standards, or stands for restriction of hazardous substances. Okay, so ROHS is also known as Directive 2002/95/EC. Okay, so originated in the European Union and restricts the use of hazardous material found in electrical and electronic products. Okay, those are restricted, or those are banned. Okay, like those are given by first one: lead, mercury, cadmium, hexavalent chromium. Okay, and also polybrominated biphenyl, polybrominated diphenyl ether. Okay, BIS 2 ethyloxy phthalate. Okay, and the beauty 1 benzyl 1 phthalate. Okay, these are the restricted substances. Okay, hazardous substances. Okay, of the electrical and electronic equipments. Okay, and also there are some features. Okay, in order okay, and also before going to these features, see here the ROHS are direct to prevent all the new electrical and electronic equipments placed on the markets in the European economic area from containing what: lead, mercury, already I said, no, cadmium. Okay, these are cadmium, hexavalent. Okay, mentioned, okay, above, which already I am displaying. Okay, these are all, okay, these are hazardous substances. These are harmful for the human beings. Okay, and also there will be some concentration to be decided by the European Commissions. Okay, that value to be established like 0.01% by the weight for homogeneous material for a cadmium, and 0.1% for the other substances. Some conditions to be made. Okay, some rules and regulations to be made and followed. Okay, and also it's a directive. It is objective is for a objective to certain hazardous substances from new electrical and electronic equipments producers of electrical and electronics within the scope of the directive, and responsible ensuring that their products meet the requirement of directives. Okay, so there are some features of the ROH restriction of hazardous substances to keep the area clean from electrical and electronic wastes containing those restricted substances from more than the restricted limits, and also reduce the pollution from the electrical and electronic wastes. Okay, that is also one feature. Okay, and also to overcome the disposal problem of an electrical and electronic wastes, and also to save the natural resources from the pollution, to restrict the producers of EEE within the scope of directives, developing the responsibilities, okay, and accountability within the scope of the directive in every person who were working, who were producing the products. Okay, so to bring the import and export of EEE within the scope of directives. Okay, so EEE means electrical and electronic equipments. Okay, thank you.